Drift off to a great night's sleep with Quattro Air, the lightest full face mask only from ResMed. The Quattro Air delivers the proven performance and reliability of the Mirage Quattro in a significantly lighter, more comfortable mask that is easier to use. Quattro Air is intuitive and quick to set up and provides performance you can rely on. The mask is simple to use with just 4 parts for easy cleaning and reassembly. Quattro Air is the next generation of ResMed's best-selling Quattro range, providing an innovative new benchmark in comfortable sleep therapy. The new Quattro Air, the lighter way to better sleep.